Actualizer Crew. What it do? It's your boy Create by Design here, and I'm back with another video. So in today's video, I'm gonna be customizing a whole fit and making it a cartoon like this and like this. But they kind of look too basic. I feel like everybody already does the bold black lines on like jackets and stuff. But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do the inverse of that. Instead of it being bold black lines, I'm gonna use white lines. I don't know how it's gonna look because I never did it before, but we gonna see how it turns out. Before we get started on that, go ahead and smash that like button and subscribe and join the Actualizer Crew. Like you already know what to do. I don't have the jacket and I don't have the pants. So let's go and get that. Alright, so I just made it. First stop is Plato's Closet. I'm gonna see if they got everything I need first. If not, then I'm gonna head straight to the thrift. Normally I only shop at Plato's or the thrift store, because really and truly, bro, you can get crazy fits. Like all my fits that I be having is all from the thrift store. But I'm gonna let y'all know how that goes. Let's go inside. These are clean. Bag secured. But they didn't have the black denim jacket, unfortunately. So I'm at a slot to the thrift store and see if they got it. Let's go. Just made it to the thrift store. About to see if they got the denim jacket, the black denim. Alright, so I'm in here looking for the black denim, but I did not see it. This might go to give me like general vibes. I like this little button up at the top. It's a lot of canvas space on the back to make it design. I think I'm gonna just go with this one, and then I'm gonna use this. Last stop is I gotta get some paint. Oh, slide out. Tight shit. Let me give y'all a little rundown of everything that I got so far. These dress pants, gotta have a bucket hat. Bucket hat is always key. Remember that. I have another one, but whoever has my bucket hat, you know who you are. I still haven't got it back yet. And I got some fucking boots. Clicking heels. What I'm gonna do first is just see how the fit comes together after I'm done making the whole cartoon fit. And then if I feel like it needs to be amped up, then I customize. So it's like a little trial and error, trial and error, trial and error. And this is the jacket that will be customized. This joint is hard, I'm not gonna lie. I really mess, like I said, I really mess with the buttons that's on the shoulder. It gives it more of like a general type of look. It's literally brand new and I got it from the thrift store. Like it's never been worn. It's still got the original tag on there. Like it's, bro, go to the thrift. Like what are y'all doing? Y'all was talking about, hey, so Fashion Nova. Oh my God, Sheen, all this. Take your ass to the thrift store. And get right. I got two of them because I'm gonna have another customization, but the secret. I'm gonna go ahead and throw all these clothes in the washer and I'll see you guys during the customization.